Good morning, students. Welcome to our maths class. We were in the chapter percent and percentage, exercise 8D, page number 101. All of you take out your maths textbooks for page number 101. Let us see exercise D, first question. Here given information is 28% of a number is 84. Then what will be that number? Find the number is the question. One number is there. We don't know how much was that. But 28% of that number will be equal to 84. Then what can be that number is the question for us. So I have taken the unknown number as x. Let a number be x. Then as for the question, 28% of x must be equal to 84. They only said 28% of a number is equal to 84. So is equal to 84. 28% of certain number. That certain number I thought as x. I hope it is clear for you. Then 28% is called as 28 by 100. Half means into, and that x is dropped, is equal to 84. Am I correct? Let us see the x. Therefore x is equal to that 84 is written, and this 28 by 100 I have shifted to the right hand side. Then for that reciprocal is 100 by 28 I have to write. You all know all about it. Then I have cancelled with the seventh table. 7 4s are 28, 7 12s are 84. Again fourth table, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Then only 3 into 100 is 300. 3 into 100 gives you 300. That is the value of x. Thus required number we thought as x, that is 300 we got now. That means 28% of 300 will be equal to 84. That is the information hidden in this answer part. Okay now students. So I hope first answer is clear. We will go for second in the same procedure. Let us see here. Monthly savings of a person is 12,600 rupees. He is earning some amount. We don't know how much is his monthly salary, but in that salary he is saving only this much, 12,600 rupees. Okay now. Money spent by a man is equal to, that means to different expenditures, that means to payment of the school fee for his children, for the rent, for the food purpose, all those money spent by him is equal to 72% of his earnings of the for 1 month. 72% of that money is spending for different works. Okay. Then let monthly income or monthly earnings of the person be x rupees, because unknown thing that was, let it as x rupees. Percentage of savings is equal to this much is spending money, they said no, percentage only. Then no, total 100%. No, actually from that if I subtract 72% his money, then I will get the savings of the person. 72% is spending. Then how much is saving? Just subtraction, 100% minus 72% will be equal to 28%. From 100% only we are calculating all the things. That's why we should use 100% here. From that I have to subtract the money spent by him. Then we will get an answer called the saving of the person. The money saved by him in the percentage is 28%. That means 28% of the whole salary x gives you answer 12,600 rupees. Because these savings are 12,600 rupees. Here we got savings as 28%. So with the help of that 28% of the whole salary we called x in the beginning is equal to 12,600 rupees. Am I correct students? Because savings are 12,600 rupees, we can get with the help of percentage of the savings also. That is 28%. Okay, then 28% means 28 by 100 into that x is equal to 12,600 rupees. Then as usual, like previous method only, x is equal to 12,600 into this when moves that side, the reciprocal of this one we have to write 100 by 28. Am I correct? Then 14th table I have used to cancel. 14 2s are 28 and 14 9s are is 126 and other 2 zeros were dropped. Afterwards with the 2 table I have cancelled. 2 1s are 2 and 2 45s 90 and other 0. 450 I have got. 450 and 100 if I multiply, I am getting an answer called 45,000 rupees. That is only X value. That is total salary of the monthly salary of the person is 45,000 rupees. Afterwards in the second bit what he asked in the same question, what is the monthly expenses? Monthly expenses, how to get to total salary minus the savings of the same person. Already savings we came to know 12,600 rupees. Now only we have got the person's monthly salary as 45,000 rupees. Am I correct? Then only subtraction will help us to get the required answer. That is only monthly expenses of the person. Let us see second bit here. Monthly, the expenses is equal to monthly expenses. We have to write with the help of subtraction. Okay, this is monthly expenses. That is total income is 45,000 rupees. From that we should subtract savings 12,600 rupees. Then we got an answer called 32,400 rupees. His expenditure is that much. To different works he is using for payment of electricity bill, rent, other for purchase of food items. All the things are together. He is spending money 32,400 rupees. I hope these things are very clear for you. Take care of learning and write in your classwork and prepare well for the examinations. The exams are fast approaching. Take care of yourself, students. Thank you.